Remove the cooking guard and heat chamber. Unscrew the 4 wing nuts on the tank. Remove the wick adjuster upward. Remove the old wick from the wick adjuster by folding it. Align the 3 openings in the wick adjuster. The holes in the sleeves, the diagonal slots in the fixed part of the wick adjuster, and the slots in the moving part of the wick adjuster, controlled by the wick adjuster knob. Fold new wick included and insert it into wick adjuster from the wick adjuster bottom. Place one of the pins in one of the lineup openings. If you experience difficulty, gently turn the wick adjuster clockwise. Then insert the 2 other pins, turning wick adjuster knob if necessary. Do not bend the sleeve. Gently press the wick all along its circumference against the wick adjuster to ensure that it's firmly in place. Open the lower part of the wick and set the wick adjuster assembly on the tank carefully. Do not allow a loose wick to come out of the tank. Screw the 4 wing nuts tightly. Turn the knob to the right and left to check if the wick moves smoothly. Replace the heat chamber, the wick adjuster knob, and the cooking guard.